In this video, I'll show you how to add money in Wise using PayPal as the source of your funds. First, it's important to know there's no direct PayPal to Wise top-up button. Step 1. Withdraw from PayPal. Open the PayPal app and log in. Tap your PayPal balance, then tap Transfer or Withdraw. Choose Transfer to Bank or Transfer to Card. Select the bank account or debit card you want to use, enter the amount, and confirm. Wait until the funds arrive in that bank or card. Step 2. Add it to Wise. Open the Wise app and log in. On the home screen, tap the balance you want to fund, then tap Add or Add Money. Choose the same currency, pick bank transfer or card as the payment method, and select the same bank or card you just funded from PayPal. Enter the amount, review the fees, and confirm. Once it's processed, the money will appear in your Wise balance, ready to send or convert. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.